Italy is a country that captures the heart. It is a place filled with ancient history, incredible food, and breathtaking landscapes. Maybe you dream of a quick 10-day trip, zipping between iconic cities. Perhaps you imagine a slower, 3-month journey, soaking in the culture of a single region. Or maybe you are planning a grand 1-year sabbatical to truly live like a local. Whatever your dream, this guide is here to help you turn it into a reality. We will walk through everything you need to know, from the legal paperwork to the best way to get your euros. This guide will make your planning simple and your trip unforgettable. Let's start with the most important document in your travel wallet, your passport. Before you book a single flight, take a look at its expiration date. For entry into Italy and the wider Schengen area, your passport must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned departure date. This is a strict rule, so do not overlook it. An old passport can stop your trip before it even begins. Also, starting in 2025, many travelers will need to get an ETIAS authorization. United States, Canada, Australia. This is not a visa, but a simple online registration you complete before you travel. For most tourists, a short trip to Italy is wonderfully simple. If you are a citizen of a visa-exempt country, you can stay for up to 90 days within any 180-day period without a visa. This 90-day clock covers your time in the entire Schengen zone, not just Italy. This is perfect for that 10-day vacation, or even a longer 2-month exploration. Remember, this type of stay is for tourism or short business meetings only. You cannot legally work or take on a paid job during this time. Following these rules ensures your travel is smooth and worry-free. What if you fall in love with Italy and want to stay longer? The official currency in Italy is the euro, which you will see written as or with the symbol d'oro. Before you even leave home, it is smart to think about how you will access your money. One of the best tools for modern travelers is a multi-currency account. Wise. These services let you hold euros. These services let you spend euros directly, often with much lower fees and better exchange rates than traditional banks. You can get a debit card linked to the account, making it easy to pay for things just like a local would. While cards are widely accepted, especially in cities and tourist areas, cash is still king in many parts of Italy. Small family-run trattorias, local markets, tiny shops in rural villages. It is always a good idea to have some euros on hand for these situations, for small purchases like a coffee or gelato. You can get euros from an ATM, known as a bancomat, once you arrive. Just be mindful of the fees charged by your home bank and the local ATM provider. It is often cheaper to withdraw larger amounts less frequently. Packing for Italy is all about thinking in layers and considering the season. Summer, June to August, can be incredibly hot, especially in the south and in cities like Rome. For these months, pack lightweight, breathable clothing. Linen pants, cotton dresses, loose-fitting shirts, a sun hat, sunglasses, comfortable walking sandals. Even in the heat, remember many churches have a dress code. You will need to cover your shoulders and knees to enter, so a light scarf or cardigan is a great item to carry with you. Traveling between cities in Italy is a true joy, thanks to the country's fantastic train network. For long distances, the high-speed trains are the way to go. Trenitalia, Frecciarossa, Italo, Rome, Florence, Venice, Milan, in just a few hours. These trains are modern, comfortable, and remarkably fast, up to 300 kilometers per hour. To get the best prices, book in advance. You can easily do this online through their websites or apps. For exploring smaller towns and rural regions, Italy's regional trains, called Regional, are slower, make more stops, but are affordable and scenic. If you buy a regional ticket at the station, validate it before boarding or risk a fine. Buses connect towns off the rail lines too. In cities, Rome's metro helps cover distances. Florence is wonderfully walkable. Venice runs on water with the Vaporetto. Consider a multi-day pass if hopping around. Buy bus and metro tickets at Tabacchi or newsstands. Be aware of a sciopero or strike, which can affect trains, buses, even airports. They're usually announced in advance. Check news or the Trenitalia website a few days before you travel. Don't panic. A minimum level of service is often guaranteed at peak hours. Stay flexible. an unexpected detour can become an unexpected adventure. 10 days is a perfect amount to get a wonderful taste of Italy's most famous cities. This classic itinerary is a whirlwind of art, history, incredible food. We will start in Rome, the Eternal City. On day 1, you will arrive, settle into your hotel, and take a gentle stroll through the historic center. Spanish Steps, Trevi Fountain. Days 2 and 3, the Colosseum and Roman Forum, then St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums. Day 4, high-speed north to Florence. Head for the Duomo. Climb for an unforgettable view. Days 5 and 6, see David at the Accademia and wander the Uffizi. Walk the Ponte Vecchio and take a day trip to Siena or Bologna. Day 7 is for savoring Florence, Pitti Palace and Boboli Gardens or leather markets. Day 8, to the magical city of Venice. Spend your first afternoon getting lost to St. Mark's Square. Day 9, explore the Doge's Palace, stroll the Rialto, and take a vaporetto down the Grand Canal. Day 10, enjoy a last Venetian morning, pick up souvenirs, perhaps a short gondola ride before the airport. Prefer the sunny south? Swap Venice for Naples and the Amalfi Coast. Love mountains? Focus on Milan, Lake Como, and the Dolomites. The most important thing is to not overschedule. Pick a few key places and enjoy them. Finding the right place to stay is a huge part of your travel experience in Italy. For 10 days, hotels, bed and breakfasts, vacation rentals on sites like Airbnb or Booking.com. For city breaks, choose a central location to walk to major sites. Book several months in advance for peak seasons and holidays. For 3 months, consider an affitto transitorio, furnished short-term apartments so you can cook and live locally. For a year, expect in-person meetings, proof of income, bank statements, Italian bank account, codus fiscal, and 2 to 3 months deposit. An agent immobiliare can help find places, talk to landlords, and decode contracts. Word of mouth matters. Local connections open doors. Here is a fascinating topic that could change your plans. Italian citizenship by jus sanguinis, the right of blood. If your parent, grandparent, even great-grandparent was Italian, you might qualify, though it requires meticulous records, translations, and apostils. Rules are complex. Professionals can save years of frustration. EU citizenship lets you live, work, and study across 27 countries. Sabbaticals and moves become far easier. We've covered paperwork, money, packing, transport, and stays. Prepare early for a smooth trip. For more travel tips and advice, subscribe to the Best of Coaching Pathways channel, www.bestoffcoaching.com.br. Travel with an open heart and a curious mind. The sweet life, La Dolce Vita, is waiting for you. Enjoy every single moment of it.